I'm Shayna. If you're new, welcome to my channel, and if you're returning, thank you so much. I really appreciate it. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you do, please give it a big thumbs up, and please consider subscribing if you haven't already. I've been putting out a lot of plus size fashion videos on this new YouTube channel, and I've been really enjoying growing the community here and getting to know more about you and your channels if you have them. So as you've seen from the title, today I'm going to be doing my weekly Gwynnie Bee clothing rental unboxing, and I have another 2 great dresses from Gwynnie Bee. If you haven't tried Gwynnie Bee for yourself, please check out the link in the description box for your first month completely free trial and see if it's something for you. I really enjoy it. So here I have the Gwynnie Bee box. It says a smarter way to dress and hashtag share me Gwynnie Bee. And then inside, let's see, it says we love your style. And then we have the Gwynnie Bee bundle and the return envelope, which is very important. After you're done wearing the clothes, if you choose not to purchase them, which usually I don't unless there's a really good deal, I just wear them, throw them right in the bag, alert the app that I'm returning them, throw them in the mailbox, and they start preparing the next items. So I'm on the 2 at a time plan, which I believe is their base level plan. And so basically I get 2 new clothing items pretty much every week. So it's so exciting to have that rotating closet. So the first item that I've received this week is from the brand Leota, or Leota New York, which is a great brand that if you've seen some of my other Gwynnie Bee videos, you've already heard about it. This brand is one of my favorites that I've discovered since I've been on Gwynnie Bee. And I wear a size 2L in their dresses, and that's what this is. So this one is a great fuchsia with subtle hot pink polka dots all over it. The material is pretty heavy, and it has good stretch. And it looks just super cute for a day at the office or a day out with the girls. And then the next item for this week is from the brand Hutch, which is also a brand that I've been enjoying and discovering some really cute dresses on Gwynnie Bee. And this is in a size 2X. It feels quite heavy, which I made a point of prioritizing some of the more cool weather items because I live in a pretty warm area, and if I don't have any cool days soon, they're not going to happen. They're going to be completely hot. So my office is luckily pretty cool most of the time, so I can kind of get away with it a little bit longer. Alright, so this is a long sleeve dress in burgundy with some little white squares or diamonds all over it, and then it has a little tie in the front, and it's V-neck. Let's see. And it does have a nice lining layer, so that's good. Like I said, the material feels pretty heavy, kind of like a medium weight sweater almost. And we'll see how that fits. Here is the Leota dress in pink with subtle hot pink polka dots on it. I think this is a really cute dress, and I'm really happy with the fit. I really enjoyed this brand so far from Gwynnie Bee. Like I said, this is in a size 2L, which is my normal size in the brand. It has a great scoop neck and some nice sleeves. They're not too short. The material is heavy, so it lays pretty nicely on the body, but it does have good stretch as well. It hits me just below my knee, and I'm about 5'5½". It has a great scoop neck, and I'll come closer for you. And I like this high waist seam here, just to kind of cinch in the waist a bit. I really like this dress. There's a closer look at the pattern here. This is the dress from Hutch in a 2X. Again, I'm very pleased with the fit. It's quite a heavy material, so I think it would be better for transition or cooler weather. The sleeves feel like a medium, almost sweater type fabric, and it is long sleeves, and the sleeves are pretty tight. I can pull them up a bit, but it's not terribly comfortable that way. It's pretty tight on the arms. It has this little built-in fake tie here in the middle. You can choose to tie it off to one side or right in the middle. I checked it on the website, they had it in the middle. So that's what I did, and I think that kind of draws the eye into the center of the body, which is nice. I'm very excited to report that it has pockets, nice deep pockets too. They're really comfortable. So that's awesome. And it's this burgundy with little small white squares all over it. And it has a nice lining layer, so it doesn't feel like sweatery on your body. It just feels pretty nice. The length hits me right about at the knee, and the V is not too low, as you can see here. So yeah, it's a nice V-neck. Good stretch to the fabric, not a huge amount of stretch, but it does have stretch. Just, I would keep in mind if you have bigger arms that the sleeves may be a little bit tight. So yeah, this little tie here is already like attached on the sides, so you just have a little bit of room to tie it, which is nice because it won't come completely undone. I think this is a great dress. I'm really pleased with the two dresses that I got this week from Gwynnie Bee, and I've just really enjoyed always having new exciting things to wear. They constantly update their closet like multiple times a week. So I go on the app and I check out all the new items and add them to my closet. The other thing you can do is you can prioritize items to try to say, hey, I really want this, and they'll send it to you as soon as they can, which is great. I think, like I said, I prioritize that long sleeve dress in this box. Because I want to be sure to get any like wintry items out of the way now before I have no chance, and I'll look like a crazy person wearing long sleeve sweater dresses in 90-degree weather, but we'll see. So anyway, again, if you haven't tried Gwynnie Bee, I highly recommend you check out the free trial in the description box below, and I'd love to hear your experiences of how you like it, and I hope you enjoy it as much as I do. I think you will. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel. I would really appreciate it. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Have a wonderful day.